Is the wrenches over there?
They're all sitting on the seat of the truck.
Okay, thank you. Yeah. Yeah, I need the half for the battery.
I know, I forgot it. I got the batteries. I got one charger, one on the charger, and the rest sitting.
Okay. Sounds good. Okay, so today we're gonna go change the cable ends on the Kenworth. So this is that bad cable I was telling you about. Runs all the way through into the starter. So the first thing we're gonna do is take the positive off the batteries, so this wrench don't arc off anything. And we're gonna take that cable off and get a new one. It's a beautiful day today. I'm gonna enjoy every minute of it. Okay, so we just got back with my new wires. Hopefully this will make a difference. New ends are on it. Just gonna take this whole thing off and just be done with it. So this one will come off. This one is in replace of it, and this one's gonna go from the positive side here all the way up to the starter. So we're gonna throw those on real quick right now and see if that makes a difference. New cables are on. Everything's tight. This looks good in here with the new cable. So we'll see how it does now. I have to guess we see a world of difference. There you go. Watch this. This is nice. So this is your high throttle to warm the truck up. Stay there. So much harder doing that with a camera in your hand. So now it's time to clean our garbage up. Take our wrenches back. I love these old air ride seats. Well, when there's air pressure in it. The only problem I got with this one is, well, first off the seat, but second off, it's hitting the back of the window, which window needs to go up. But it's hitting the back of the window. And for me to sit in this thing, I gotta have it back. I mean, shit, if I put my armrest down, I can't even use my clutch. So, especially with the door closed, it's all that much tighter. I gotta like wedge it in there. But I may have to make a custom seat bracket, figure out a way around that. Or maybe you guys will know what you did, because I'm sure I'm not the only 6'2" person riding around in these things. So that's it for today. I had a couple minutes to kill real quick. Decided just to put them ends on. It's 61 degrees here in Pittsburgh, which is, I'd almost say it's not normal, but it's becoming more normal. Last year it was 70 degrees on February 7th. This is February 4th, and it's 61. So I have the seat for it. It's over in the other place. Everything, I have everything. It's missing. I was gonna buy some new gauges for this thing. The manifold boost pressure gauge is the needle's gone. There's nothing even in it. I'm gonna see if this cab even came with any gauges. I don't think so, if I remember correctly. I more got it for the doors and the windows than anything. Well, engine oil temperature. I'm surprised there's actually gauges in this thing, to be honest with you. So let me see. Air pressures, oil temperature, air pressure, oil temp, oil temp, oil temp. So I think I just threw a bunch of leftover gauges in there because I got like 6 oil temperature gauges. So I'm gonna have to get a boost pressure gauge just to throw in. It's about, at the moment, the only gauge I know for a fact that ain't working. Obviously I don't have the fuel tanks hooked up, so I don't know if the sending unit needs fixed on the other ones or what that gauge needs, but time will tell. So at least I got to play with it a little bit today. I got to do something with it. But right now, I'm gonna go start painting. Thanks for watching.